Good morning. So we're here at the job site, and this is what we're building. And see, I already got the post for the middle track set up, and I got the header beam on the house, and I got all of my posts on the Connex. So he's making the outdoor shop, got a lift, gonna be building some really cool stuff. So let's get all set up here and we'll start showing you how we're gonna put all this framing work together. We're using 6-inch track and purlin, because this stuff right here, and then these posts are all 3x3, have base plates welded and stamped into the ground, or anchored into the ground. These are 14 foot. I'll have to cut those down. That's 13.7, and we're going to 13.6. He only wants a 1-inch drop, so I don't know if this thing just turned off or what.